Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the time format in the Themify application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And at the time format section, as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from. So you can set it to the 24-hour and then the 12-hour time format. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.